In this video, I'll walk you through how to file taxes in Canada using TurboTax. If you're new to filing or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy. Start by going to the TurboTax Canada website. On the homepage, you'll see options for different editions. If your return is straightforward with just a T4 slip and basic deductions, the free edition is usually the best choice. Next, sign into your account, or create one if you're a first-time user. Having an account lets you save your progress and return later if you're still gathering documents. Once you're logged in, begin by filling in your personal information. Things like your name, address, and social insurance number. After that, head to the income section and enter details from your T4 slip or any other tax forms you've received. TurboTax will then guide you through deductions and credits you may qualify for, such as tuition amounts, medical expenses, or RRSP contributions. Carefully review each section before continuing. Finally, when everything is complete, TurboTax will run a review to check for errors. Once you're confident your information is correct, you can submit your return directly to the CRA. And that's it. Filing your taxes in Canada with TurboTax is simple, quick, and reliable.